and Hospitals was a battleground for COVID-19 over the past months, and now elected officials are calling for them to be fully reimbursed by FEMA for all COVID-related expenses.
News 12's Marissa Marcelino tonight has the latest on this from New York City Health and Hospitals Lincoln.
Day after day, people dying, people getting sick. It was something that you would never ever see, except maybe on a battlefield.
Dr. Ijan Turkman describing the pandemic scene in the city's hospital system, saying they assumed they'd get the money reimbursed because they did the work.
Never once did we think, oh, well, I wonder if we can afford that. No, we said people's lives were at risk. This is a declared emergency. We can depend on FEMA.
Elected officials say New York City Health and Hospitals has only been partially reimbursed. They're calling on FEMA for $860 million for expenses incurred during the pandemic.
Expanded ICU capacity by 360%. You think this was free?
Besides adding more beds, they say they spent every dollar on adding additional staff to help fight COVID. Now it's about getting prepared for whatever's next.
We all have an obligation to strengthen and shore up the greatest safety net in American healthcare, health and hospitals.
We reached out to FEMA, who said they're working closely with New York City Health and Hospitals to ensure that they're reimbursed for all eligible expenses. At New York City Health and Hospitals Lincoln, Marissa Marcelino, News 12.